Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we'll understand how to upload records into the panel, whether contacts, leads, tickets, or any custom object, seamlessly and without any challenges. We'll also explore the different possibilities available within the bulk upload feature in Office 24 by 7. Bulk upload is useful when you have large amounts of data collected from door-to-door marketing campaigns, offline events, external campaigns, manual data collection, or third-party sources. Instead of entering records one by one, you can upload all the data at once into the CRM using the bulk upload feature. Now, let's perform a bulk upload in one of the objects we have created, which is contacts. Go to Contacts and click on Upload Records. This opens an overlay that is pre-filled with the object on which we want to upload the records, in this case, contacts. Next, click on Assign To. This loads the users who are available under the hierarchy. Select the users for whom these uploaded records should be assigned. In the Assignee field, you have to select the fields on which the Assigned To users should be loaded within the object. These records uploaded will be assigned to the selected agents in a round-robin fashion. Before uploading the file, first download the sample Excel file from here and arrange your data in the same format. Click on Download Excel, and the sample file will be downloaded. Next, let's understand how the sample file structure is defined so you can observe the fields in the file and align your data accordingly. Once the file is open, you can see all the fields available in your object. The same fields appear as columns in the sample file. You will notice a red star mark on mandatory fields. These indicate the data that must be entered to successfully upload records into the panel. Additionally, whenever a field is a dropdown, the sample file displays the dropdown values already defined in the panel. This ensures that only valid values are selected and that upload errors due to incorrect values are avoided. In the sample file, you will find different field types such as email ID, date, and time, along with examples and descriptions. When you move the cursor over the columns, for example, the email ID column, a tooltip appears showing how to enter a valid email ID correctly and what values are allowed. These examples and descriptions guide you to enter data in the correct format, so the upload succeeds on the first attempt. Mandatory fields are clearly marked with a star symbol in the column header. Now, let us enter sample data into the file. Make sure all mandatory fields are completed before uploading. Use the drop-down values available in the sheet wherever applicable. Enter the mandatory phone number, then add the email ID, which is also mandatory. Provide sample values for all required fields, for example. Select an allowed field value, such as home, personal, others. Here I have selected work for the type field. Next, fill in the mandatory fields like postal code, city, state, and country. Location and other optional details may be left blank if they are not required. If you have the information, feel free to upload it. The data in your Excel sheet must follow this same structure before uploading. Once the data is ready, save the file. The maximum file size can be 15 megabytes, and the file must be saved in one of these supported formats: CSV, XLS, or XLSX. These are the only formats accepted for bulk upload. In the panel, click the Browse button and select the file you just prepared. After opening the file in the application, you will see a preview showing how the data is arranged and how each column is mapped. Below the preview, you will find the Mapping section. This shows how the Excel header columns are mapped to the application field names. Here you can verify whether each Excel header is correctly linked to the corresponding field in the application. If any mapping is incorrect, use the drop-down to map the column to the correct field. Once all mappings are confirmed, click on Upload. After uploading, the system opens the history screen. Here you can see how many records were uploaded, how many were failed, how many successful. If any records fail, you can download the error report from the history section. Open the downloaded file. The downloaded file displays error descriptions next to each failed record, shown at the end of the relevant column, that is, Office error text. This provides a complete report of which fields caused the issue, allowing you to correct the data and re-upload successfully. Now, let's verify whether the data was uploaded successfully. Back in the same panel or object, you will see the newly uploaded records listed. You can see which agents the records are assigned to based on the previously selected users. The records are distributed to these users in a round-robin fashion. In summary, this bulk upload process helps business managers, sales teams, and marketing teams upload large volumes of contact data instantly. It enables assignment to teams in a round-robin fashion, so agents can immediately start engaging with customers. The feature saves time, reduces manual errors, and improves productivity. That's it. Use the bulk upload feature in Office 24by7 to seamlessly add large volumes of contact or lead data into your CRM and get your team engaged quickly. Thank you for watching. Explore more Office 24by7 tutorials to maximize your CRM efficiency.